So here is my onion. I'm gonna cut up a little bit of my bell pepper, and then I have my chicken right here. I'm gonna add my chicken to the skillet with the bell pepper and the onions cooking, and also garlic. So I like to take the seeds off of the bell pepper. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I love chicken tacos. Do you like to add spice to your chicken tacos? Or what do you all like to add to your chicken tacos? Bell pepper is a good addition. I haven't had bell pepper in so long. As you can see, this is frozen. Let me wash this chicken and show you what it's gonna look like. Turn up the flame. I'm gonna add my garlic and wash my chicken. Add your vegetables first. I like to add garlic in mine. What about y'all? Now let's go over here while this is cooking for the next. And I like for the onions to like break apart, but it will happen. You know, cut them apart or break them apart. Let me show you what I got on the side here. Get my chicken. I want to slice my chicken up a little bit, and I want to season it really well with the caramelized onion butter and add it to the skillet with pepper. And a little Cajun style seasoning. Started to cook the onions and bell pepper in here. Don't let it burn, but I love where it is. Just keep letting it cook for a good 15, 20 plus minutes. Just set that over. What I like to do, put soy sauce or W sauce if you want. To put a little water. Just get the flavors to come together. Yep. Make sure it don't get too dry. I'm gonna start filling the tacos because this chicken is done and it's fully cooked. Let's go ahead and fill some of the tacos right here. So as I fill some of these with cheese and that chicken breast. There we go. And I'll show you how I like to cook them up. And show you the final meal with the plantains and the coconut rice. Make a few tacos and make some tostadas. And I'm going to show you guys my final plate. Thank you. This reminds me of a tacos dorado, and that's 4 tacos right there in one, and I'm going to put my tostada right there. Let me just bring it down a little and show you how the tostada will be the star, right? Oh, perfect. Show you how to seal. Do you all like to seal your tacos? Coconut rice, banana, or I call it banana, but plantains with honey and chicken tacos. That stand up perfectly. Enjoy your Taco Tuesday. Thank you.